in this we have to discuss that this is this is the refracting surface, right? This is the refracting surface. Refracting surface, right? And there is a incident ray. This is also from dense. This is denser medium, right? This is denser medium. Hello, hello. Oh. And rarer medium. ठीक है? This is rarer medium. ठीक है? So जब एक लाइट रे इंसिडेंट होती है, ये है तुम्हारा ये हो गया इसका नॉर्मल, ठीक है? और जब लाइट रे यहाँ से इंसिडेंट करेगी तो ये एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस हो गया, राइट? एंड व्हेन इट गोज फ्रॉम denser to rarer medium, denser to rarer medium, denser to rarer medium, rarer medium, then away from the normal, then away away from normal, away from normal, ठीक है? अब जब ये लाइट रे इधर आई तो ये डिविएट, ये नॉर्मल से हट के जाएगी तो थोड़ा सा ऐसे जाएगी, ठीक है? दिस इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन, राइट? In this case, angle of incidence is always angle of incidence is always smaller than angle of refraction. Angle of refraction will be greater, right? This is this is we call refraction. This is simple refraction, right? From denser to rarer medium. Refraction, right? And refractive index of air with reference to medium is equal to sin I upon sin R, right? This is now another condition we have, which is also very important, that is इस लाइन को मैं थोड़ा और एक्सटेंड करता हूँ इधर की तरफ. So if we take normal, this is the normal we have, right? This is normal, and this is if angle of incidence, if angle of incidence is like that, angle of incidence is like that, that this is incident ray, right? So it goes parallel to the surface, right? Coinciding with the surface, and angle of refraction is of 90 degree, right? What I said, angle of refraction is of 90 degree, right? Then this I is known as, critical angle. Then this I is known as critical angle, right? So what is the definition? that value of incident incident angle for which for which angle of refraction angle of refraction angle of refraction becomes 90 degree becomes 90 degree known as known as critical angle. Critical angle. Getting? So what is critical angle? That value of incidence angle for which angle of incidence, sorry, angle of refraction becomes angle of refraction becomes 90 degree. Very nice. Now refractive index of medium refractive index of air with reference to medium is equal to sin I upon sin R, right? And as sin I sin I is equal to critical index of air with reference to medium is equal to sin I upon sin R, right? And when sin I is critical angle, then sin R is 90 degree. What is the value of sin 90 degree? What is the value of sin 90 degree? Refractive index of air with reference to medium, sin IC, sin 90 is 1. This is 1, right? तो ये हो गया, हाँ, तो हो गया हमारा रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ एयर विद रेफरेंस टू मीडियम इज इक्वल टू साइन आई सी, क्रिटिकल एंगल के बराबर, इसकी वैल्यू के बराबर आई सी. नाउ if you apply law of reversibility, law sorry law of what the hell is going on, man? Hello. 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 Yeah. So what I said, that angle, refractive index of air with reference to medium is equal to sin IC, right? IC. And if we take law of, if we take in consideration law of reversibility, law of reversibility, right? In that case, refractive index of medium with reference to air is equal to 1 upon refractive index of air with reference to medium. So refractive index of medium with reference to air is equal to 1 upon sine IC, right? 1 upon sine IC means cos x IC. So refractive index of medium with reference to air is equal to cosec I cosec IC. That is critical angle. IC means critical angle, right? So this is we have. This is the relation we have. Now I hope you understand. So should I rub this? Okay, writing, do it. I hope you done. So I'm going to rub this and we will so this is we have, right? Now again we take, this is refracting surface, this is refracting surface, right? Refracting surface. And I told you in first condition what happens when this is normal, this is incident ray, right? So when where this is angle I, and when it gets deviated, it goes away from the normal, right? So this is R. So angle I is less than angle R, right? I told you one more thing. If angle of incidence is like this, that it go line go uh, refracted ray coincide with the surface, right? And forms angle, and form and form and form 90-degree angle with the normal. Then it is then this is then angle I is known as angle IC. IC. This is critical angle, right? Now, and I told you refractive index of medium with reference to air is equal to cosec IC, or refractive index of air with reference to medium is equal to sin IC. Sin IC. This I told you. Now, one more condition is coming. Now, what happens? This is the normal, right? And this is when angle of incidence, this is angle of incidence is greater than angle of greater than critical angle IC. What I have told you, when angle of when angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, when angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, greater than critical angle, then then total reflection occurs. Total reflection, yes, reflection occurs, right? Total reflection occurs. So light ray comes back in the same medium. Light ray comes back in the same medium. This phenomena is known as total. Oh my God, total reflection. No, it's total internal 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 reflection. Right. This is called TI, total internal reflection. Right. So it means angle. This is angular. So by law of reflection, angle I is equal to angle R, right? Hello? Yeah. This you understand? When angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, then light ray comes back in the same medium, and phenomena known as total internal reflection, right? Total internal reflection. Total internal reflection, right? In this what happens, loss of energy is very less, right? So digital signals can move very fast without loss of energy, right? So आजकल आप देखते हो ना, जियो फाइबर एयरटेल फाइबर 4G, 5G, right? They all are using these optical fibers में ये होता है, ऑप्टिकल फाइबर्स होते हैं, तो उनमें उनमें टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन होता है, तो डिजिटल सिग्नल्स का लॉस कम होता है, तो स्पीड ज़्यादा होती है, और आपको क्लियरिटी रहती है वॉइस में, राइट? Otherwise, if you talk with satellite phone, then what happens? Sound comes, sound takes some time to reach to you, right? Yeah, yeah. In optical fibers, intensity of voice is not as much as there is some loss in intensity of voice, right? अगर आप कभी ऐसे कंट्री में बात करो which is not developed like African countries, right? Africa means not South Africa, but other countries, in some Russian countries, when you talk, so then echo will come. मतलब voice will come. It will take some time to reach you, and it takes some times to go to the other one. So there is a time lag. There is a time lag. So when you say hello, so it takes time to hello ka reply आने में it takes some time, right? So लेकिन now because there is loss of energy, but when we are using optical fibers, तो optical fibers में total internal reflection takes place, so no loss of energy, right? No loss of no no or very less. Nothing is 100% in this word. So no or very less loss of energy of digital signals. Digital signals, so they move fast. So they move fast with same intensity, right? So intensity. So this phenomena basically we are using in telecommunication very much. Optical fibers. Optical fibers are that, right? So this is total internal reflection we have, right? So this is overall thing. लेकिन this is only occurs when movement is from denser 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 to rarer, right? Rarer to denser, this phenomena will not occur, right? You should always keep in mind. All we studying now, that is specifically from denser to rarer medium, right? This is we have. This is we have. This is we have. Now what happens? Should I rub this? Okay, okay, okay. Done. Okay. So there is a prism. There is a prism like this. This is a prism, right angled, right? This is like this. This angle is of 90 degree, and it is isosceles. These two sides are equal. So in an isosceles triangle, when vertical angle is of 90 degree, then base angles are of 45 degree each. You know that? I hope you know. Okay. Okay. So what happens? There is an object. There is an object, right? Size. इधर से कम करते हैं. ठीक. This is A and B. So this is incident. This is the incident ray, right? So what happens here? Angle of incidence is 0. So line is going on the behaving like a normal. So it goes undeviated straight to this point. And here, when you draw normal of this surface, normal of this surface, right? Then what happens? So this is the angle. This is angle of 42 for 5 degree. This is of angle 90 degree. 90 degree. So this angle will be of also 45 degree, right? And since it is 90 degree, normal is always 90. Normal is forming perpendicular to the surface. So this total angle will be 90 degree. So this is 45 and this is 45. So this angle will be also angle of incidence here will be of 45 degree, right? So angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. IC of glass, IC of glass is 42 degree, right? And it is greater than that. So total deflection takes place. Light ray get reflected back, right? It is of 45 degree and it is of 45 degree, When it is of 45, then this angle will be of 45 degree. So again, when you draw normal of this surface, then this angle will be of 45 degree, right? Again, it is greater than critical angle, so line will become total internal reflection occurs, and it comes like this, right? This is the point A dash, right? Now what happens? Similarly, in the same way, line goes straight like this. It hits here. So here it is for getting, this is the normal. So this angle will be of 45. So this will be of 45. So total internal reflection occurs. Light ray comes like this. Then again it is like this. So again total internal reflection takes place, right? And light ray comes like this. So this is B dash, right? So this is how change inside A and B get inverted, right? This is how we invert, right? I hope you understand what pro- what process we have done here. Similar process we have done here. So there I speak less. It is similar to that, right? Should I rub this? So this is what formation of image by a formation of image formation of image by a formation of image by a isosceles right angled prism. Take. So it get inverted. This is AB, now it turns to B. So image get inverted. Inverted. I hope you understand. Should I rub this? With little hesitation. Still doing? Very nice. I'm going to rub this, man. Now I will try to help you. I will try to explain you one more condition, that there is a right angle triangle. Sorry, there is right angled right angled isosceles right angled prism, right prism. This is prism we have. So uh, this is a prism like this, and like this, right? If I say this angle is of 90 degree, right, and this angle is of 30 degree, and this angle is of 60 degree. Fine. 60 degree. If a incident ray comes like this, right? This is the incident ray. Incident ray angle I is equal to 0. So perpendicular to act as a normal, act as normal, normal and perpendicular, perpendicular, right? I hope you understand this much. So this is of 90 degree. When this is of 90 degree, this is of 60 degree, so this angle will be of 60 degree, right? When this becomes 60 degree, then normal is this surface is like this. Oh no, it's not 60 degree, man. How you can say it is 60 degree? Who told you? When this is 90, this is 60, this is 30. This is 30 degree, right? So if you take normal now, so so now this is perpendicular. This is angle of incidence, right? This is so angle of incidence is of 60 degree, right? Angle I is equal to 60 degree. So angle I is equal to 60 degree, therefore greater than IC of glass, right? That is 42 degree. So total internal reflection occurs. Total internal reflection occurs. 60. Yeah, definitely. 60. So total internal reflection occurs. Light ray comes like this. So this is of 60 degree. This is of 30 degree. Right? Now this angle will be, this angle will be, here total internal reflection occurs. It is like this. So this is greater than 90 degree. Right? When it is greater than 90 degree, so normal at this point, normal at this point, normal at this point. So this total angle will be of 120 degree and this angle will be of 30 degree. 30 degree is less than critical angle. So light rays emerge out like this, right? I hope you understand. I told you this is the incident ray, right? So it is behaving like a normal as angle I is 0. It hits the surface here. So this is 90 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 30 degree. When you take normal of this surface, then it is 90 degrees, 30 minus 90 becomes 60 degree. 60 degrees greater than critical angle, so total internal reflection occurs and light ray goes like this, right? So this is 60 degree, this is 30 degree. This is 30, this is 30. So this whole angle triangle will be of 120. This angle will be of 120 degree, right? this angle will be of 120 degree, and normal is making 90 degree. So 90 minus 120 minus 90 becomes 30 degree. So this angle you see is 30 degree. When this angle is 30 degree, so this angle of incidence is less than critical angle. So it will come out. So light ray come out, right? Because here angle of incidence is less than critical angle, that is 42 degree. Here it is 30 degree. So light ray comes out. Light ray comes out. I hope you understand. Better understand, huh? Should I rub this? Oh. हाँ ठीक है, you take a screenshot, no problem at all. Okay, you don't draw, you just understand. It is written in your book also. There is no problem at all. I'm not doing. That is more important. That is more important to understand in spite of making, right? So anyway, so next condition again we have a right angle prism. Right angle prism, not this. This is the prism we have. Fine. हाँ बोल के ऐसे लाते हैं. Yeah. This is of 90 degree. Done. Okay. Hello. This is of 60 degree. Then it is 30 degree. 30 degree. 30 degree. मैंने एक बार बताया था ना कि जगराते में जब जाते हो तो आपको ताली बजानी पड़ती है, वरना माता खुश नहीं होती है ना? वैसे याद है ना? तो वैसे ही ऑनलाइन पढ़ाने में अगर आप हाँ यस नो नहीं करते दोगे तो आई विल थिंक यू गॉन. आई एम स्टडिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ ओनली. Okay. Anyway, if you are doing then okay. If you are not doing, so start keep doing. Fine. Anyway. Anyway. हाँ तो क्या करेंगे अपन? अब फिर हमने यहाँ पे एक लाइन डाली है ऐसे. ये है इंसिडेंट रे. ये क्या है? इंसिडेंट रे. दिस इज इंसिडेंट रे. Incident ray. So angle I is equal to 90 degree. So perpendicular to surface, right? So this angle is of 90 degree. I hope you understand this. It's 90 degree. Okay. When this is 90 and this is the normal of this, right? So what happens? This is of 60 degree. Then this is 60 degree. Then this is of 30 degree. So angle of incidence is 30 degree. क्या समझे आप? When angle of incidence is 30 degree, so angle of incidence is 30 degree. So it is less than critical angle. Less than I see critical angle of glass 42 degree. Then what happens? Light comes out. Light ray comes out. Like emergent ray. Right? This is angle of this is angle of refraction. What angle will be, that is a different thing. So light ray comes out. Light ray comes out. Or it is called emergent ray, right? So these are the main three things which I should tell you related to this. Remaining, there are so many figures in your book. You go through with that. If you find any difficulty, then I can tell you. Right?